Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to move a conversation in Slack. Ladies and gentlemen, if you jump into a chat now and you want to move a conversation, now conversation could be a message like this, and then somebody's replied onto that, and you've replied and somebody else has replied. So you've got like a message thread, and that conversation, you can now forward the entire conversation. So what we do is on the top right hand side of the message, you will see a forward icon. That's the arrow pointing to the right. You're going to click on that. You will have this pop-up window, and here you can add either a name or a channel, right? So this means if you want to send this or move this conversation from where it is currently to another chat, you can do so, or you can move it to a completely new channel. So we've got this channel over here, and you can literally just say forward and it'll be forwarded. You can then also interact within that message thread, in that conversation. You can actually use it as a brand new conversation, and the changes that you make, the messages that you send, will not also propagate on your previous or the original message, the message that you forwarded from.